Hello everyone, welcome to your education. I am Vijayender Tyagi and right now I am with our student Arun Bambarbal, who is doing masters in IIT Kanpur. So Arun, most
Yes.
welcome on your education platform. How are you?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm fine.
So after a long time I am with you in the session again. So we will discuss many things with you. You just give a brief introduction about you.
I'm myself, Arun Bambirwal. I am studying in IIT Kanpur, M.Tech in VLSI.
Microelectronics and VLSI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are pass out of which year and what was your CGPA, B.Tech college, GATE score, all these details. Can you share with us?
Uh, I'm passed out in 2022 from M.B.M University, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And my CGP is 7.7.
Okay, and your
Uh,
GATE score
is 509.
509.
Yes, sir.
So great. In 509, you got IIT Kanpur VLSI. That is very good. So how is your experience up to now? You are in second SEM or which SEM right
Yes,
now?
sir. Sir.
Second SEM. So how is your experience with VLSI in IIT Kanpur?
So it's good when we thought that in Gate we are doing so much of effort, but I think that in this we needed some more effort.
Okay, means you need to work more as
Yeah,
compared
when you are
doing
doing
in GATE.
masters, if you are doing masters, then you have to uh, do self study more for this. If you need to be good in research work, if you want to pursue PhD, then also you have to do best in M.Tech.
Okay, so can you share the curriculum? What subject you need to study there in MTech?
So in VLSI there are two fields, and analog and digital. Other than that, there have a compact devices field also. In that, from this three portion, in whichever you want to go, uh, you can do thesis in that. But there are compulsory courses in first sem and second sem. According to your wish, you can choose the subjects. In first sem, you have to do one analog subject, one digital subject, one device subject, and one is related to this only. In IC fab, that is also device subject almost.
Okay,
Two device
and
subject and
these
one
Verilog,
analog.
system Verilog, all these things also you need to prepare there.
Yeah, in digital they have a Verilog. In subjects they are giving projects. Under that you do Verilog and you design circuits. In analog you design circuits on virtuoso,
Okay,
cadence virtuoso.
so you said there is hard work required. So if someone put hard work, how is the
Yes.
outcome there?
So it's so good. If you doing your hard work, then it's good. If you are maintaining CGP above 8.5 or uh, 8.5 or 9, it's so good. But you need to minimum CGP. You have to maintain that.
Okay, that is challenging. Hello,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So right now you're in IIT Kanpur campus.
Yeah, sir. I'm in my room in IIT
Great,
Kanpur.
great, great. So, can you share your journey before joining IIT Kanpur, starting from your
Um,
B.Tech? What was your journey that time?
so in my final year, I'm preparing for GATE. First time I unable to qualify at least GATE.
Okay,
And then after clearing my B.Tech, I come to home. Then I started my again preparation of GATE. For 6 months of preparation, I did score well. And in counseling session, there are so many interviews, so I help from YourPedia. Then and I got to. IT Kanpur is not taking interview; it is direct admission. but I got to IIC for interview and IIT Bombay for interview. IIT Kharagpur also called me, but I not go there because they are interviewing only electrical for electrical specialties, and for electronics they are not interviewing. So I not got there, and in my fifth
So
round I got IIT Kanpur.
in COP round you got this, na? In which round you got this offer?
In fifth
Kanpur
round,
VLSI?
fifth round.
Fifth round.
Yes,
Okay. So if someone in first round is not getting something good, then you can have hope, because in
yes, sir. Yeah,
further
of course.
rounds definitely you can get some good
Yes,
options.
sir. I take a tricky decision when I'm going from this. First, in first round, I got IIT Kharagpur Vision. In second round also, I got IIT Kharagpur Vision, and one of the uh, same. In third round, I got IIT Kanpur SPCom.
Okay.
Then again, I have to we can only two times reject anything. Then again, in third round, I reject SPCom. Fourth round, again, nothing come, only SPCom. Then I take a decision and I go for IT Gandhinagar for SPCom because I don't want to mean take SPCom because I am
Okay.
interested in VLSI. So at that time, I take a decision, and finally in fifth round, I got VLSI.
Great. So what is SPCOM there? How is SPCOM? About if we talk about
IT
placements.
Kanpur SPCom IT Kanpur is best. In India, SPCom in all IITs, IT Kanpur is best. But I don't want to go. But its placement is also fine. Here, it's good placement for SPCom
So
also.
SPCOM, in electrical department, we have many branches like SPCOM, VLSI, and
Hmm.
one photonics also there, power electronics
Power.
there. So if some VLSI company comes for placement,
Yeah, sir.
so do they allow all the branches there?
Yeah, sir. It's
Means
yeah, they allow, but it depends on when college they are allowing or not. IIT Kanpur allow all the specializations of department.
so if someone is getting SPCOM suppose but interested in VLSI, so if he join SPCOM and he opt for placement in VLSI company, then he can get offer there also, na?
Yeah, it can get, but there are something. You have to do twice work because you have to study
Extra
SPCom
effort.
also. You have
Yes,
to study VLSI also.
yes, yes. Good. So, when you got your GATE result, did you think about this option that you will get this option that time?
No, never. I'm thinking that at my gate score that I will get good NIT, but in my up to fifth round I get this.
Great. So that is the thing. We also suggest our student in post-GATE counseling to be motivated to fill different options and to prepare for different interviews seriously and have hope, and that also
Ah,
very beneficial.
if you have get score less, then also you can pursue for research assistant. There have been that is on low get score you can get that in IIT Bombay. I think there are so many vacancies for VLSI also. There are no VLSI branch, two, three divided, ICS and ESE and SSD. In this, you get there have a 3 year. This is 3 year course, and you can easily get an
One more
admission there.
thing, many students are concerned about M.Tech and MS actually. So in
Yes.
IIT Kanpur also we have M.Tech research program there, MS program we
Yes.
can say that. So suppose some student is choosing M.Tech research in VLSI there.
Mhm.
Will that person get opportunity of placements in VLSI companies there?
Yes, sir. Of course, he got. MS is better according to research purpose because you are have 3 years for it, and 2 year you dedicate for research.
Okay.
In M.Tech, you dedicate 1 year for research.
Yes. Actually,
So
student want ultimate placement. Na? Ultimately, even after doing
yeah,
research, they want set to settle down. Na? So if
if you are doing good research in your area, then you eventually get placement. It is not that thing.
and campus life of IIT Kanpur, can you would you like to say something about that?
It's so cool. I mean, environment is so nice. All I mean, in outside there are so many pollutions, but in inside there is no pollution because we are using bicycles, and employers are normally using bikes, but that are so less now. So environment is clean. That is the one good thing in IITs. I
Great.
went to IIC Bangalore also. There also same thing in IIT Bombay in post area also there a good environment. I mean outside there are so many pollution, but inside you feel that temperature is less by 2 3 degrees.
Yes, yes. Okay. So now many of your juniors may be coming next year to join IIT Kanpur, VLSI or any other branch also.
Yeah.
So at this time, gate exam is to be conducted very soon and result will come in. So this is the important time for students to utilize. What is your suggestion to such students? What should they do?
I say that don't lose hope. I mean, if you are getting less score, also maybe you prepare for interview well, you get in good college. If you are preparing for PSU, then there are also have option because uh, up to in PSU are for 23 till now. PSUs are coming.
Yes. So PSU coming for placements, you are saying.
Yeah. I mean, PSU is not coming for placement here, but outside PSUs are
Yeah,
coming.
many options are there. Yes.
Yeah, many options are there, and uh, it's fine if you prepare for again.
So Arun, you know this post-gate counseling is an initiative of YourPedia. Some years ago, we started this, and many students got benefit from that. So
Hmm.
according to you, you have interaction with many students also in IIT Kanpur. What is your view on that?
So, according to me, in YourPedia helping in counseling much because you don't know, you are not in IIT, you are not connected with anyone from IIT, and YourPedia is provide that which branch is good, which branch is less, and how to do the process because its process is so complicated. It is not a single form you have to fill, and there are multiple form, multiple colleges. In each colleges you have to fill. Some colleges fill for different branches. You have to fill separate forms, and some colleges fill we fill one form only for. Then we mean so many forms are there, and we are not getting that which form we have to fill according to our rank. UPedia is providing that which college you are able you can get, and you fill this range of colleges. That's a good thing, I think, because I think that uh, I said to you that when I got my grade score, I thinking that I get an IT, but at last I didn't feel an IT because I feel all the. I mean, whatever IITs said to me, I feel that, and some top NITs I feel. But when I am getting score, I think that I get MNIT, which is in my own state, own district. When I am from Jaipur, so that is a good thing. It's a help
Great.
us.
So now, can you suggest something about preparation? Because in some IITs there are interviews for MS program for MTech also. So if someone is interested in this VLSI domain or any electronics domain, what
Yes, sir.
subjects should they prepare during this duration, next 3 to 4 months?
Sir, interview they not ask that so much of. I mean, good. I mean, they ask basics. Your basics. They don't ask so much of high thing. So you have to just study the whichever you have studied that analog and ADC, you have to study that well. And EMFT is also one of the subject which you have to focus on that, because they are also asking from RF domain. They are asking from that also.
Yes. And the signal system and communication,
Yeah, this
digital,
all are, if you are
CMOS.
going for SPCOM, then signal system and communication is compulsory.
Yes,
Mean, when you go for interview, it is not that you are only going for MVLSI. You also go for SPCOM also. So you have to prepare. I mean, your basics have to be. They don't ask to solve the gate type of questions, but they are asking basics.
so any suggestion for being motivated to students from your side?
Uh, I said that just don't think so much. Just go with the flow, because after you have did whatever you have prepared, you have did. I mean, you have cleared. You got your score. Don't think that it is not good or that. Just go with flow. You can get something. I
Great. So Arun, it was wonderful information from your side. It will definitely help a lot of students and to decide about their future strategy. So definitely it will work. Okay, indirectly, many students will get benefit from that. So thank you very much. Any point missing, which I am missing, you want to tell, you can tell us.
no, sir. It's fine. I mean, you have whatever needed. You have asked me.
Okay. Thank you, Arun. All the best for your bright future.
Okay, sir. Thank you.